Kia ora tātou katoa. If you are just starting to learn Māori, you may be surprised at how many words you already know. Here are the 50 Māori words every New Zealander should know. They are more commonly used now than ever before. Count how many words you already know. Aotearoa, New Zealand. Aroha, love. Awa, river. Haka, generic term for Māori posture dance. Hāngi, traditional feast prepared in an earth oven. Hikoi, walk. Hui, gathering or meeting. Iti, small. Iwi, tribe. Kai, food. Karakia, prayer. Kaumātua, Aorere. Kauri, large native conifer tree. Kiwi, native flightless bird. Koha, a gift or present. Ko hangareo, language nest, Māori immersion preschool. Mahi, work or activity. Mana, prestige or reputation. Manuhiri, guests or visitors. Māori, Indigenous people of Aotearoa, the language of the indigenous inhabitants of Aotearoa. Marae, the area in front of a meeting house or applied to a whole marae complex. Maunga, mountain. Moa, extinct, large flightless bird. Moana, sea. Motu, island. Nui, large, many or big. Pa, hill fort. Pākehā, New Zealander of non-Māori descent, usually European. Pounamu, greenstone or jade. Puku, belly or stomach. Rangatira, person of chiefly rank or boss. Taihoa, to delay, to wait, to hold off. Tama, son, young man or youth. Tamahine, daughter. Tamariki, children. Tāne, man, husband or men. Tangi, funeral or to cry, also to ring a bell. Taonga, treasured possession. Tapu, sacred. Te reo Māori, the Māori language. Tupuna, ancestor. Tuatara, native reptile. Wahine, woman or wife. Wai, water. Waiata, song. Waka, canoe. Whai kōrero, to make a formal speech. Whakapapa, genealogy. Whānau, family. Whenua, land. So how many words did you know? Ka pai. We hope you enjoyed this lesson and as always, karawhiua, give it a go.